And welcome to your midday sports. I'm Spencer Darlington. We kick off with football. Jamaica's Reggae Boyz crashed out of the CONCACAF Gold Cup after losing 3-0 to Mexico in their semi-final match on Wednesday night in Las Vegas. The Jamaican defense was caught flat-footed when Henry Martin opened the scoring as early as the second minute. And Luis Chavez doubled the advantage in the 30th minute with a magnificent free kick. And Roberto Alvarado gave the Mexicans added insurance when he rounded off a neat build-up 3 minutes into time added at the end of the game. This was the Reggae Boyz' first semi-final appearance at the CONCACAF Gold Cup since 2019. Mexico will face Panama in Sunday's final. The Panamanians beat defending champions, the United States, 5-4 or make that 4-3 on penalties after a 1-all scoreline in regulation and extra time. India have tightened their grip on day 2 of the first test against the West Indies at Windsor Park in Dominica, reaching 168 without loss at sports time, replying to the West Indies' meager first innings total of 150. Debutant Yashasvi Jaiswal, who resumed on 40, has progressed to 78, while captain Rohit Sharma, who began the day on 30, has moved on to 74. The Indians went to lunch at 146 without loss. And moving along now, let's tell you that despite the main track at Caymanas Park being reopened for exercise this morning, there is still no word as to when the standoff between owners, trainers and the promoting company, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, will come to an end. The main track was closed on Wednesday due to the dispute, which centers around the exact amount that would represent 49% of sales by the promoting company and which should go towards purse increases. In the meantime, Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited is set to lose up to $135 million from the cancellation of this weekend's 2 race days at Caymanas Park. Head coach Connie Francis is expressing satisfaction with the Sunshine Girls' preparation just over 2 weeks before the 16th staging of the Vitality Netball World Cup in Cape Town, South Africa. Having undergone several months of preparation and fine-tuning, Francis says the team is ready for battle at Netball's global showpiece event starting July 28.
We realized that we have to do something a little bit different, so how we step up our training, especially when it comes to our strength. I thought that when we were at Commonwealth tournament, we were a bit soft, body on body, you know. So we step up that area really well, and so really the focus is for us to play together now as a team to get that synergy together.
The local-based players, coaching and management staff were hosted by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports at a celebration and a send-off on Tuesday night at the Summit, formerly Knutsford Court Hotel. The local-based contingent will depart the island on Friday. And that's it for the Midday Sports. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.